Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about coefficient of coupling and multi-winding coupled coils in coupled circuits. So first we must know what is the definition of coefficient of coupling when the two coils are linked by magnetic flux. It is a measure of flux linkages between the two coils, and we can say like the total flux produced by one coil linking the another is denoted by K. We can say the coefficient of coupling K is equal to phi12 by phi1, which is equal to phi21 by phi2. So when K is equal to 1, we can understand that all the flux produced by one coil links the other coil, and the coil are said to be tightly coupled or closely coupled coils. On the other hand, when K is equal to 0, there is no coupling between coil 1 and coil 2, and they are said to be magnetically isolated. When the value of K is very low, the coils are said to be loosely coupled. So we can conclude that when K is equal to 1, the two coils are tightly coupled or closely coupled, and when the K value is lower than 1, then we can say they are loosely coupled, and when K value is 0, they are not coupled. So the expression relating the coefficient of coupling with self and mutual inductance is given as K is equal to M by root of L1 L2, and mutual inductance M is equal to K root of L1 L2. We can see the proof now. When we take the equation which we have learnt already, that is M12 and M21, when we multiply these two, we will be getting N2 phi12 by I1 into N1 phi21 by I2. When we reduce this equation, we will be getting M square is equal to K square L1 L2. We are saying like M12 is equal to M21, which is equal to M. Okay, so we are getting this, and we further reduce this and we get as M is equal to K root of L1 L2, which is the mutual inductance, and K is equal to M by root of L1 L2. This K is nothing but the coefficient of coupling. Now we shall move on to multi-winding coupled circuits. We shall see how to analyze this multi-winding coupled circuits. So in this we use n number of coils, and we start from more than 2 coils. That is, if you take 3 coils which are coupled together, that is, when number of isolated coils are wound on a common core, then it is called as multi-winding coupled coils. In such coils, the flux produced by one coil will link another coil, and so mutual inductance exists between any two coils. So we can see the examples here. In the first figure, we are saying like the coil 1 is mutually coupled with coil 2, the coil 2 is mutually coupled with coil 3, and the coil 3 is mutually coupled with coil 1. If you see the figure 2, then we can say like the coil 1 is coupling coil 2, the coil 2 is coupling coil 3, and the coil 3 is coupling the coil 1, but in opposite direction. So if you take more than 3 coils, the example will be like in the figure C. Some of the examples of multi-winding coupled coils have been shown, and we can conclude like we must use different symbols like circular dot, square dot, triangular dot, etc. to represent this mutual coupling. So we can say M12 is equal to K12 root of L1 L2, M21 is equal to K21 root of L2 L3, and M31 is equal to K31 root of L3. This is how we need to understand how the coupled coils have been linked, and we have seen the coefficient of coupling and multi-winding coupled coils. Thank you.